Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we're going to prep our form boards for the concrete. And if you've bought lumber recently, you know that lumber is real expensive, and this is a good way to make them last a lot longer. In the old days, I used to just spray diesel fuel mixed with a little engine oil on the form boards. But today we're going to use a product that's made in the USA by Unitex, and it's called Q-2R. And this supposedly this helps to have longer form life. And I want these form boards to last for a long time because I'm going to be building stuff every year. And if I can get a little more use out of them, it'll save me money in the long run. This stuff's about, like I said, this is made in the USA, and it's a form release agent, and it should help to keep the forms lasting longer. Anyway, yeah, it's called Unitex Q-2R, and I'm just going to use a simple weed sprayer. This is a Solo 430-2G, and this works pretty good. So the combination of these two, and I'm going to prep my forms. Anyway, simple little video how to take care of form boards, and hope you liked the video, and I will talk to you later. I spray it on pretty thick. I'm actually going to spray it prior to pouring concrete again, but because these are brand new boards, I'm going to spray it pretty thick and just let it soak in, and it will dry. And this is just kind of preparing them, and I'll give them another little spray after I set all the forms before I put the rebar in. You never want to spray your forms. You always want to spray them before you install the rebar. You don't want to have form oil or any kind of oil on your rebar. Yeah, it's not a good way to go. But anyway, yeah, I just prep all these boards and spraying it on thick. I got 30 2x10 14s, and I'm hoping to be able to use these many times. Every year I do a project, so hopefully this is a pretty big garage, so hopefully there's about 188 times 2, what is that, 366? There's about 366 feet of form boards. So this should do me good for many more projects, and as long as I take care of them, keep them stacked and bundled really nice, they should stay nice and straight. Anyway, it's a pretty boring video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time.